This bag, I think, has got me into tote bags. So I spent time with the Ray Tote Pack 14 liter from Pioneer Carry, and in this video, I'll cover the pros, cons, who it's for, and how it's different than Pioneer's other backpacks, and it left me confused in a good way. So here's the stats. I've reviewed over 100 bags on this channel, but I am a beginner when it comes to tote packs. They just never quite vibed with me until recently. And this is also technically the 5th Pioneer backpack that I've used. So I use the Panda Pack version 1 and 2, the Savant Pack, and the Duration Pack version 2. And so I reviewed this Ray pack with those in mind. And it's funny that despite being just a tote pack, it actually had a few improvements over their proper backpacks. Starting with the exterior, I like the material, straps, and look, and I disliked nothing major. I've mentioned it in all the previous reviews, but Pioneer's material is my all-time favorite bag material. Their wallets and pouches are a custom material called 3XD or 10X, which is on the inside of their packs. And the outside is a custom Mandarin 840. It's basically a nicer variant of the traditional ballistic nylon. It's hard to explain without feeling it in hand, but it has the abrasion resistance and it's tough and everything. But compared to ballistic nylon, it's also a little softer and smoother. Ballistic nylon in general is popular because of those technical features, but also because it looks classy enough to be in an office or kind of around a city. And the material works well, especially on this Ray pack. One reason I've stayed away from tote packs in the past is because many of them I think have like a childish or maybe girly look to them, or they're too thin and unstructured. But the Ray pack is built with high quality materials and a more sophisticated adult look that I can pull off. Simple branding on the front and a removable luggage tag on the side and the normal carry handles. But moving to the straps, they're surprisingly good, and let me explain. I've criticized Pioneer Carry's straps on all of their backpacks for being too stiff, not comfortable enough, and lacking a chest strap. But when I tried on this Ray pack, I actually found them to be more comfortable than their backpacks. The reason being is that Pioneer added these loops and stitching here, so it allowed me to add my own chest strap. But these stitching points inadvertently gave the strap more places to flex. So the padding is still very stiff, but the straps kind of bend and molded to my shoulders way easier than on their backpacks. And they're also narrower and thinner, which prevented the issue of their backpack straps being too thick and irritating my neck. So kind of the TLDR is either by luck or by intention, Pioneer made their most comfortable carry straps on a bag that isn't a proper backpack. So I really enjoyed these straps because they were comfortable and because tote packs historically have always had mediocre straps, so these ones kind of stood out even more. I also liked the back panel, which was really well padded with a luggage strap, again, which is rare on tote packs. But one thing I didn't like is that, these tote packs are meant to be carried by the top handle sometimes, and this bag should have come with a strap holder or something. It was kind of annoying that these just dangled and were dragging on the floor whenever I carried them. Moving to the inside, I liked the organization and laptop sleeve, but I would have liked to see a different material color. So here there's 2 long pockets that are secured by a snap, and they're actually separate, so they do not connect into this main area, which I ended up liking because it perfectly fit a 32-ounce bottle on each side. And the website hilariously also shows a wine bottle and a baguette on either side, which definitely could happen because I did kind of use this as a grocery bag. Tote packs do have their limitations, but one strength is that they can carry these weirdly shaped items because they can stick out to one side without fear of unzipping the whole backpack. The main area opens by popping out these 2 tabs and unzipping, and as you can see or not see, it's dark. It was difficult to see the items at the bottom, and that's where Pioneer should have used a lighter color material to help with that visibility. They used some gray 10X material on this side and just straight black material on this side. But Pioneer uses lighter color 10X material on their wallets and other backpacks, so I would have liked to see that here. But other than that, I really liked this area. At 14 liters, it was a little small for me. I wish it was kind of 16, 17, but with some dimension added this way. And the bottom is padded if you wanted to store a wine bottle in here. There's one flat zip pocket here and a shallow non-zippered sleeve thing at the bottom that was useless. And the biggest surprise of all, a 17-inch laptop sleeve with a 2-inch false bottom. And similar to the carry straps, I've criticized Pioneer's backpacks for not having a laptop false bottom. The PandaPack version 2 sort of added one, but I actually returned the Duration 2.0 version because it still didn't have enough of a false bottom on their second try. But for Pioneer to put their best false bottom in their tote pack of all things is either hilarious or lucky, but I'm happy to see it. Because again, many tote packs on the market don't even have decent laptop storage, much less good storage. And so having it on this Ray pack is just another thing that puts it as a standout against competitors in its category. Of course, the one huge cost of all of this is the cost. Pioneer's bags do come at a premium price, and this is going to cost quite a bit more than any competitor's tote pack, which is usually priced at more of the budget end of things. Okay, so final thoughts, and who is this Ray tote pack for? Well, it was confusing in the best of ways. Tote packs are typically inexpensive, underbuilt, and have a childish or girly aesthetic, but Pioneer completely flipped the script on that. The materials and look are simple but professional, and the organization is useful with 2 exterior bottle pockets. But the funniest part is that this tote pack has better backpack straps, better laptop sleeve with the false bottom, ability to add a chest strap, than all 3 of their more expensive proper backpack models. It's a decision that doesn't make sense to me, but I'm glad to see that Pioneer is committed to improving their products with each new release. And the Ray Pack is a really good start, personally, for me getting into tote packs. Anyways, comment below if you want a response, let's talk, and subscribe for new videos on Sundays. Thanks.